This is a Lenovo Ideapad 320. I will be removing the hard drive in order to do some other work that I need to do. I already removed all the screws. They were all the same size on the back, so you know, no big deal there. Pulling out the CD and DVD drive. So now to separate the bottom. I like to use guitar picks for this. It's just what I find easiest. You just find a spot where it'll get in there and go around. I believe I have taken this one apart before for this customer for another reason, so it's probably why it popped open so easily, but sometimes you have to mess with it a little bit. And then on this computer, we've got a SATA drive right here. So, let's see, are there any screws holding it in? Doesn't really look like it. Nope. Okay, so that's how to remove a hard drive in a Lenovo Ideapad 320.